Latest bit of salvage. Bmw 425D. Cat S out of Copart. Won it 4 weeks in a row. The first 3 weeks it got refused, and then week 4 they added a little bit in the description saying engine knocking. They shafted me basically. Well, I got it for the right money. We bought it all in for 4 grand. Needs this there, and we've got the bits in the yard in the same colour, door, wing and a bit of suspension, but the engine is knocking. I think basically someone in Copart's fucked around with it, and it's got an oil leak on it and it's gone dry of oil, so they ruined it really. But I'm gonna get the engine redone, get it all up and running. It is a lovely little motor, it's only done 90,000, so yeah, not a bad little buy. Good little run around for a bit. We're gonna get this all fixed up nice, ready for sale, in the money. Keep you updated on it. Donor vehicle sorted for the parts. Just bought this one, Cat B. So we'll sell all the other parts, get our money back. Wing, door and the pillar, a little bit behind it. Got it all there. Donor car. Any good bits on it, the bits I need: the wing, the door, the skirt. This is a facelift one, so I'm going to nick the back lights out of her. Had a good thumping. Like buses, don't see one and then you see 2 of them. Donor vehicle. Took the strut off, skirt and the brackets, the wings off. Pretty sure I need that. And the door, I leave the door on, keep the car dry as possible at the minute. So yeah, just do a little update. Suspension on the 15 plate on. It's had a hard life. It's all fucked. Every single bit of it. It broke, and broke. So that's the other side of it. Right. We'll swap this over quickly. I need to get one of these. I need to order one of these. I'll get a new one. I think I worked out where the oil was leaking from. For the reason the engine is knocking.